In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror an image on Canva. This is a simple yet effective way to create stunning visual effects for your projects or social media posts. Whether you're designing a flyer, a presentation, or just playing around with graphics, flipping an image can add that professional touch. Let's dive right in and see how you can easily achieve this. First, head over to the Canva website. If you don't have Canva bookmarked, you can simply type Canva into your browser or use the URL directly. Once the page has loaded, you'll see the option to log in. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on Log In. Canva will prompt you to continue with your preferred login method. If you've previously used a Google account, you might find it convenient to just select it from the options. This way you'll be signed in with just a couple of clicks. Once you're in, load up the project you're working on. If you don't have a project open yet, you can either create a new design by clicking on the Create a Design button located on the top right of the home screen, or open a previously saved project. Now navigate to the image you want to mirror. You'll notice that Canva makes it pretty intuitive to select any element just by clicking on it. So go ahead, click on the image you plan to mirror. With the image selected, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top. You should see a Flip button. Click on this to open a drop-down menu where you'll be given two options: Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. Let's start by flipping the image horizontally. When you choose this option, Canva will instantly mirror your image from left to right, creating a mirrored effect. If a vertical flip is more in line with your creative goals, you can achieve this by selecting Flip Vertical. This will turn your image upside down, flipping it from top to bottom. Your mirrored image should now visually add the effect you were aiming for, and remember, you can experiment with both options to get the perfect look. To wrap up, flipping an image on Canva not only adds artistic flair, but also enhances the symmetry and balance of your layouts. By following these steps, you'll have more control over your designs and be better equipped to capture attention and convey your message effectively. Practice in different projects to master this tool and create eye-catching visuals effortlessly. And there you have it. You're done. You're done. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for handy design tips.